Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Michael Sorah. I'm a full-time realtor here in Key West and the Florida Keys. And I am back in Layton with another beautiful waterfront lot. What makes this lot great is it's ROGO exempt and it has its own private boat ramp along with its own dock. The lot itself is 50 feet by 100 feet with 50 feet of the lot being a canal front, and that canal is bridge free, and it's about an 8-mile run right on out into the Atlantic Ocean. So let's jump right on into this video and take a look at this beautiful buildable ROGO exempt lot here in Layton. Folks, I hope you enjoyed that tour of the lot, and I have provided information to contact the city in regards to what you can build on the lot, permitting, things of that nature. There's a direct phone number right to the city and the property, or into the video description itself. And my contact information is there as well. If you'd like to give me a call in regards to setting up an appointment to view the lot, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you like this video, feel free to look at my other videos on the channel. Give the video a like and please subscribe to the channel. It does help with the algorithm and does help my small business here in the Florida Keys and Key West grow. Hey, thank you for your time today. Y'all take care. Until the next video. Thanks.